Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 21 to 27, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And also, meron tayong promo sa tarot reading, no, sa private reading, 20% discount pag nag-book kayo from July 16 to 31. Ayan. So, let's begin. Leo. What's the energy? Weekly energy, July 21 to 27. Temperance. Okay. Uy. Leo. Finally. Finally, naglakas loob na talaga kayo. Ipinakita nyo na ang inyong lakas. Kasi maaring nagtitimpi kayo sa isang sitwasyon. Pwedeng sa trabaho, na nagtitiis ka dyan kahit alam mo na gusto mo nang umalis or mag-speak up, or yung finally may kausapin na about your situation sa trabaho. And finally, ikaw ay naglakas lang loob na. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, this can be a relationship or a connection na hindi mo masabi yung totoong gusto mo. And now, you are finally speaking up. And hindi ka na natatakot kasi kung ano yung magiging outcome nun, kung ano yung magiging resulta nun. Kaya, ready ka nang sabihin yan or gawin yung gusto mo. Kasi maaring nung mga nakaraan, iniisip mo yung opinion ng iba or yung reaksyon ng iba. So ngayon, iniisip mo na ngayon yung sarili mo. Kaysa ikaw yung nahihirapan. Let's see what else. What is temperance? Yung iba sa inyo mas nagiging maingat na rin sa inyong kalusugan, no? Kumbaga, nagiging mapili ka na sa kinakain mo, mas nag-exercise ka na. Oh, the death card. This is transformation, change. Letting go of the things that are no longer serving you. You are transforming, you are changing things. Maaring ito ay related sa career ninyo, trabaho ninyo, na finally nag-decide na kayo or magde-decide na kayo kung alin yung path na tatahakin nyo sa career. You have the Knight of Swords and the King of Coins. Oh, okay. I feel like there is someone sa buhay mo na nagiging inspiration mo. Pwede itong kakilala mo talaga, personally kilala mo, or someone na you look up to, na kahit hindi kayo magkakilala, but gusto mo yung pananaw niya sa buhay, or yung path na tinahak niya, yun din yung gusto mong i-pursue. And now, finally, no, mas nagiging assertive ka na about what you really want. Kasi maaring you are breaking free from the limitation, you are breaking free from your comfort zone. Kasi syempre, no, kapag comfort zone natin, familiar tayo, madali lang yung mga ginagawa natin dyan. Kahit mahirap yan para sa iba. Kasi yun yung comfort natin eh. And yun nga lang, pag masyado tayong nasanay sa comfort zone natin, hindi na tayo nag-grow kasi wala na tayong binabago sa sitwasyon. So that's what I'm seeing for you. May mga changes na gagawin ka. And itong changes na to ay sarili mong desisyon, no? Kasi kahit naman ano ang sabihin or advice sa'yo ng iba, kung hindi ka naman talaga gagawa ng action, walang mangyayari, hindi magbabago. So itong pagbabago na to ay sarili mong initiation. Ikaw mismo nag-initiate nito. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house. 8th house is about endings, new beginnings, transformation, and power. So having the Sun here, maaring ikaw ay mas meron ng clarity. Naliwanagan ka na. Oo, palaban ka na ngayon. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Ang Saturn kasi is about structure, discipline, delays. So, and rewards din yan. So, kung ikaw ay may actions na gagawin, i-reward ka ni universe. And itong rewards na to na matatanggap mo, ay magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment at masasabi mo na, buti na lang nag-take ako ng action. Buti na lang, nag-create ako ng opportunity para sa sarili ko. Ganon. You have the moon in Pisces in the 12th house. Your instinct, your intuition is going to be on point. Like talagang yung pakiramdam mo. Minsan kasi ganon na kaya tayo nahihirapan mag-decide or parang hindi natin alam which path to take, kung anong decision ang gagawin natin is because yung naglalaban yung logic, yung practicality, tsaka yung instinct natin. So, for some of you, you are going to follow your instinct. Kung ano talaga yung sinasabi ng higher self mo na, ito, dito yung mas maganda, Leo. Ito yung gawin mo na, hindi ka na nang hihingi ng dahilan or ng explanation. You just go with the flow or go with your instinct, your intuition nang hindi mo na kina-question kung bakit. Kasi you just feel it. Alam mo lang na dun ka mas mapapabuti. O, 'di ba? You are detoxifying. Pag sinabi nating detox, ito yung pagtatanggal ng mga negative energies around you or mga bagay na alam mong hindi na nakatulong sa pag-unlad mo at paglago mo. Hummingbird, yes, you're going to follow your joy. Kung saan ka masaya, kung saan ka mas nag-e-enjoy. Ayan. Maari ring merong dahilan or merong bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo ngayong week na 'to. I think isa diyan, mararamdaman mo 'yan the moment na, grinound mo yung sarili mo. Like, you go out or, you spend time with nature or nag-detoxify ka. Maraming ways para mag-detoxify, mag-de-stress. Yung mga tinatawag nating me time, pagpapamasahe ng katawan or pagpunta sa salon or, yung mga therapy na nature therapy, ganyan. Oh my God. Oh, see? You are healing. You are healing, Leo. And it's good kasi yung healing for you is also a time to start, 'di ba? Na okay, nakapag-heal ka na from your past, yung mga frustrations mo, yung pains, yung mga pinagdaanan mong challenges. And now you are ready for a rebirth. You are ready for a new experience, a new beginning. Kasi nga nag-break free ka na. Kindness. This is being kind to yourself. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes. Minsan kasi masyadong minsan kasi tayo rin mismo yung parang nagpapahirap sa sarili natin. Yun yung tinatawag na self-sabotage. But don't be too hard on yourself, no? Minsan parang nisip mo na, oy, dapat ganito by this time, dapat marami ka ng achievements. And that creates pressure and anxiety para sa iba sa inyo. So, you have to love yourself and, alamin mo sa sarili mo ano yung mga kailangan mong i-improve and also meron ding time to slow down and just detoxify, reset, and heal. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.